Imagine a world where machines can learn, reason, and solve problems just like humans. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the reality of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is rapidly transforming our world, impacting nearly every aspect of our lives. For students like you, understanding AI is crucial. It's not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental technology shaping your future. Let's explore what AI truly is and how it's driving unprecedented change. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. This includes learning, problem-solving, perception, and decision-making. AI systems analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns. They then use these patterns to make predictions or take actions. This ability to learn and adapt is what makes AI so powerful and versatile. AI often relies on machine learning, a subset where systems learn from data without explicit programming. Deep learning, a further subset, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks process complex information. Through these methods, AI can recognize faces, understand speech, and even play complex games. It continuously refines its understanding and performance. This iterative learning process is key to its intelligence. You encounter AI more often than you might realize. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use AI to understand your commands. Recommendation systems on streaming platforms suggest movies and music you might enjoy. Even your social media feeds are curated by AI algorithms. These systems learn your preferences and deliver personalized content. AI makes our digital interactions smoother and more tailored. AI is revolutionizing industries worldwide. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and more accurately. It also accelerates drug discovery by analyzing complex biological data. In transportation, self-driving cars powered by AI promise safer and more efficient travel. Manufacturing uses AI for automation, improving precision and productivity. This leads to higher quality goods. Education is also seeing AI's impact through personalized learning platforms. These systems adapt to individual student needs, offering tailored content and feedback. This can enhance learning outcomes significantly. The future of AI holds immense potential. We are moving towards more sophisticated AI that can handle complex, abstract reasoning. This could lead to breakthroughs in scientific research and environmental solutions. AI could help us tackle global challenges like climate change and resource scarcity. It promises to unlock new levels of efficiency and innovation across all sectors. The possibilities are truly vast. However, the rise of AI also brings important challenges. Concerns about job displacement due to automation are valid. We must consider how to adapt our workforce for an AI-driven economy. Ethical considerations are paramount. Issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and accountability in AI decision-making require careful thought. Ensuring AI is developed responsibly is crucial for its positive impact. Artificial intelligence is not just a technological trend, it's a fundamental shift. It's reshaping how we live, work, and interact with the world. Understanding AI is no longer optional, it's essential. As students, you are at the forefront of this revolution. Your curiosity and critical thinking will be vital in shaping AI's future. Embrace learning about AI and consider how you can contribute to its responsible development.